Bubby, don't throw it at Zeke. He won't let the ball go. Oh, be careful. No, Zeke doesn't want the ball, Bubby. Throw it to Dad. No, Zeke doesn't want it. Bubby. Here, I'll throw it to Dad. No, you gotta, you gotta give it to Zeke. Chayton, don't go down there.
Chayton, that's no. No. Chayton, come back.
Bubby. Come on, get your ball and come back quickly. Come on, come on. Come on, keep coming. Yeah, that's the bit you're not allowed on. Chayton! Come on. Zeke, come here. Can you throw the ball?
Throw the ball for Zeke. And throw. Ah! Good.
Good throw. No, don't throw it at
Not
Zeke.
that Zeke. Throw it over there on the lawn.
Over here.
Throw it
Bubby,
to Dad.
throw it to me. Throw it to Dad. No.
Goodness me, look at that. Speedy.
Speedy Gonzales.
1, 2, 3, go. There. 1, 2, 3, go. 1. Oh, no, please. Alright, off you go.
Trying to give Zeke a pat? Just gentle. Bubby, stop throwing the ball at Zeke. What have you found? Oh, you got something on your foot. No, don't go in there. Hey, come here. Look. Ready? Just gentle. Gentle. No, Chayton. Gentle. And he's off. Do you want to say hello to Abuela and Abuelo? Come here. Say hi, Abuela, hi, Abuelo. Come here, come here, come here. Come here. Come on. Come here, come here. That's too much. Come on, say hello. Say hi, Abuela, hi, Abuelo. Okay. That's enough. Say bye. Can you wave bye?
Hello.
Good boy. That's good waving. Say he's off. Okay, bye.